Hey, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of drones, where DJI reigns supreme. With the landscape of aerial photography transforming at breakneck speed, DJI continues to lead the charge. As we eagerly anticipate the release of their latest models, the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the DJI Air 3S, we're here to dissect the features, rumors, and potential of these cutting-edge drones. One of the most exciting rumors is the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor in the Mini 5 Pro. This significant upgrade could mean capturing stunning 4K footage with unparalleled detail and dynamic range, comparable to much larger drones' 1-inch sensor. The potential introduction of a 1-inch sensor would be a game changer for the Mini 5 Pro, offering exceptional image quality and performance in a small package, advanced obstacle avoidance. Expect sophisticated obstacle avoidance systems that enhance safety and ease of use. Extended flight time. The Mini 5 Pro could redefine battery life, providing longer flights for capturing more content. Portrait mode. Perfect for social media, this mode is designed to deliver Instagram-ready shots with ease. Air 3S may feature a dual camera system, echoing the versatile photography trends seen in modern smartphones. This could offer users incredible flexibility for both stills and video, dual camera system. The potential dual camera setup promises versatile shooting options and enhanced photographic capabilities, advanced sensor technology. With possible sensor upgrades, the Air 3S could deliver improved low-light performance and high-quality imagery. Linear technology. If included, this technology would bring advanced obstacle avoidance, better low-light performance, and possibly even autonomous flight features. However, the looming threat of a US ban introduces a layer of uncertainty that could reshape the industry landscape. As we look forward to these exciting new releases, one thing is clear: the world of aerial photography is about to get even more thrilling. The drone world is in a state of flux, with DJI at the forefront of innovation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro and DJI Air 3S both promise to redefine what's possible within their categories, combining size, performance, and advanced features. Stay tuned for updates and deeper dives into these groundbreaking drones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all things technology.